Hi, I'm Mads. By the way, have you tried this yourself? You're trying to do a meeting and show a product or show a picture of your kids or maybe even a hat, and maybe you toss it around or you put it on and maybe you sip a cup of coffee and you disappear. All of these things is so annoying because it's not doing a very good job. So I'd rather turn this off, but the problem is I want to hide the mess in the background. So what else can we do? Well, why not use the Mediaproductionsuite with the Videomixer plugin? Go to AI Capture, go out of the way for just a second and set the background. Now it knows what to key out, and I can roll my way back into the image, and I can put on the same background as I used in Teams, and now, boom, I can show a product, I can show pictures of my kids, and I can have a cup of coffee, and I can even take my hat off, and it exists. Isn't that great? Thanks for watching.